Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about unordered lists. Now, before I do get into it, if you're not subscribed to the channel, I do recommend you do subscribe. This is going to be a long series and it's going to be a valuable one too. But without further ado, let's get right into this and learn about unordered lists. So, in addition to organizing text in paragraph form, you can also display contents in an easy-to-read list. In HTML, you can use an unordered list tag or the UL tag to create a list of items in no particular order. An unordered list outlines individual list items with a bullet point. So, for example, here's an example below, but the UL elements or the unordered list elements should not hold raw text and won't automatically format raw text into an unordered list of items. Individual items must be added to the unordered list using the li tag. Now, the li tag or the list item tag is used to describe an item in a list. So, for example, here we have the list was created using a UL, so it's an unordered list. UL, unordered, L for list, okay? Now, all of the individual ones have a LI, meaning a list item. So for each item you put, you have to have it in between the LI tags. And the output will look like lemon or limes, tortillas, and chicken. So bullet points like this. So let's get right into the practice here. So under the heading that says species right here, okay. Do not add any list items. Okay, create an unordered list. Okay, so we'll go ahead and create a UL. And we will create a end one as well. Perfect. Now add the following list to the unordered list. So we're just going to copy paste this, bring it up here, and voila. Here. Okay. Now remember, to have this in bullet points, what we have to do is put the li tags, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and copy paste this and put it on all of these real quick so that we can move faster essentially. But it's the li, so that's the closing li, the list item tag, and you put it here and run it, and voila, species. And just to double check, let me show you what it looked like before. So before, species didn't have anything, and then once we get rid of comment here, or we add in this and run it, it'll print this. So it's very cool, it's very useful. But without further ado, so that's gonna end the video. I'll see you in the next one and have a great day.